Thank you, Professor Veena. It's a great privilege for me to be recipient of prestigious fellowship of ASTE. I consider this in recognition of my association for a long time with institutions and scientists in Australia and their collaboration with scientists in India. I would like to, in fact, also thank my colleagues who had recommended me for this prestigious fellowship. The topic that you have assigned is about agriculture, translation, and commercialization. Well, I would start from my beginning as a postgraduate student at Indian Agriculture Research Institute when seeds of Green Revolution were being sown, and India was importing food to the level of about 10 million tons. Since then, science-led innovations have helped India achieving not only green, blue, white, and also now rainbow revolution, where horticulture production is advancing very fast. Coming from a begging bowl status to that of surplus and even to the level of exporting now cereals to the extent of about 20 million tons is a journey with which I had been associated very closely. I once asked Dr. Borlaug, the father of Green Revolution, why Green Revolution is not happening in Africa when you could achieve it in South Asia. His reply was that cradles of success, which are four: policy support, institutions, and human resource and partnership, all are not existing, though I am trying my level best in Africa. Since then, I have been a great supporter of these four pillars of successes. We need strong national agriculture research institutions like you have in Australia. I could do my best to support Indian national agriculture research system to emerge as a vibrant institution where we could now increase our food production by 6 times than what we were when we became independent, as against the increase of 4.5 times of population. We often call and used to say that India is adding one Australia to its population every year. Having achieved this, India has emerged an important exporting country, now exporting agriculture produce to the level of about 50 US billion dollars. At this stage, I would like to say that it is not only important that you strengthen your national system, but you need to be globally wise and act locally. And in that context, I have tried to strengthen regional cooperation through Asia Pacific Association of Agricultural Research Institutions, of which ACIR also had been a participant, and all other countries in Asia Pacific, and all international organizations and centers. Besides that, I have also been able to help in establishing Global Forum for Agriculture called GFAR, which is now located in FAO Rome. Through these organizations, we could build partnership at regional and at international level. And we could organize global conferences called GCARD and came out with GCARD roadmap. And the messages were that you need paradigm shifts now from agriculture research for development to that of agriculture research and innovation for development. So what we need is innovation now, innovation like BT cotton in India, innovation like hybrid rice in China, innovation like tilapia production in Philippines, and so on. I can go on talking. There are 30 such success stories. And through GCARD roadmap, we could also realize that what is needed is not only production, but post-production management. And that's where I think mm, one can learn a lot from Australia, though India is also emerging as a good agriculture uh, developing country, but we have many things in common. The dryland agriculture, the conservation agriculture, the livestock development, also with regard to the wheat and cereal management, the genome editing and genetically modified crops and their promotion. And I see ample opportunities in that context. And through GFAR also, we would highlight that you need now paradigm shifts also to have public-private partnership for strengthening agricultural research and to have more innovation. We have to provide enabling environment, and for that we need to see that there is good policy advocacy. So I think I would like to stop here for the time being because time allotted to me is almost over.